Welcome to the video tutorial for SDPS version 7. This segment is just going to go over creating a new project and then creating new scenarios in that project. So to begin, this is the screen that you'll see when you open the program for the first time. To begin working, we first need to create a project to work under, which we can do by hitting the Projects tab and then opening the Manage Projects window. So here in this window, we first need to create a new project using this button in the upper left corner. We'll specify our units to be English in this case, and then we'll rename our project to be something a little more unique. We'll call this tutorial. The rest of these description bars, latitude, longitude, etc., all of the information entered here isn't used anywhere in the program. It's just to allow the user to better describe each project, so you don't need to fill it out unless you want to. This button, Show Project on Map, does exactly what it sounds like. It's just going to pull up Google Maps wherever the input latitude and longitude should be. Export project and import project. So these buttons over here allow you to export entire projects with all of the scenario data, as well as import new projects with scenarios. This icon allows you to duplicate projects and also duplicate all scenarios inside the project, and then of course we're able to delete the projects. So to select our project tutorial for current use, we just make sure that it is selected in this left table, hit Select Project and close. Once we do that, we're going to see tutorial appear as the current project in the bottom left corner. So the next thing to do is to make scenarios for our project. So we'll go down to Manage Scenarios and open that window. This is the window where a lot, probably the majority of the work in SDPS takes place. But first we need to create a new scenario using the upper left icon once more. And then this general screen is where you're going to be able to select some of the settings for your scenario. And these settings aren't fixed. They can be changed throughout the life of the scenario. You can change the parcel type from rectangular to polygonal, and then the prediction points from one of any of these three options. All of this stuff will be explained more in future videos. For now, we will call it good.